Ideal Nail Manicure Tool. 2PC tempered glass nail buffer files and 2PC nano glass nail shiners, not only shape nails, but also polish natural nails. Perfect for all types of nails: fingernails, toenails, acrylic nails and natural nails. Suitable for home DIY and salon. Durable, effective. Made of high-quality tempered glass, the abrasive filing surface is gentle and effective and never wears out or becomes blunt. Unlike other ordinary nail buffers and files, our glass nail files are gentle on the nails and cuticles, expertly shaped nails with comfort, easy efficiency. Shape Shine Natural Nails. Come with big and small glass nail files and nail shine buffer. You can use different size nail files or shiner to beauty your nails, more easy, more efficient. Our manicure tools use physical principles to achieve shiny and smooth effects, without damage to the surface of the nails and unhealthy chemical nail polish. Washable, reusable. Our manicure tools are made of glass, can wash it directly by running water after each use. Not like ordinary nail files and buffers are consumables, ours are reusable and can always be used, save money. It comes with a metal box, so you can carry it to anywhere. Satisfaction guarantee. As a present to your loved one, quality and service are of the utmost importance to us. If you have any question about our product, we will give you no reason return and refund. Top reviews from the United States. Actually works fast and easy. I love the polishers. I don't care for the nail files because the glass is so thick it's hard to get under my nail with the tip to clean them, but otherwise, great set for the price. I bought them purely for the polishers and I was not disappointed.